Hello everybody, this is Beer, Blades, and Gear. In this video I'm going to be doing my full review on the brand new Benchmade Mini Bugout. This is the all black version for 2021. We have the CF Elite handle scales, a black blade as well. This is just such an amazing knife. It's made here in the USA, Oregon City, Oregon. This is the everyday carry knife that we've all been waiting for. Let's take a look at the fit and finish here. The fit and finish is amazing. I paid $136 for this knife. It's got the CF Elite black handle scales, a black coated blade. Of course, you have the access lock, which allows you to use this knife in your left or right hand. Just pull in, drop shut. The blade came out of the box perfectly centered. Flick it out. You got the jimping on the top here. You've got the thumb stud on the left and right side. And then you also have the deep carry pocket clip, which I think is just so awesome on this knife. And then of course you have the lanyard hole as well. It's time to take a look at the hand feel. The hand feel of the Mini Bugout is really actually quite nice, especially for a knife this size. I mean, I have a large size glove and I can still get a full 4-finger purchase on this knife. So I would say that the hand feel is really good. Here's a look at the size comparison. Here's my Benchmade Mini Bugout compared to the Civivi Pintail. That's what it looks like next to the Benchmade Mini Osborne. Here's my Mini Bugout next to the Kershaw Leak. On top of a deck of playing cards. Here it is compared to a silver dollar. And last but not least, there it is next to a Mini Bic lighter. The beer I'm currently drinking is Racer 5, Bear Republic Brewing out of Cloverdale, California. It's off Highway 101 in Northern California. 7.5% alcohol. It's just a really great IPA. I love this beer. Let's take a look at the specifications. We have an overall length of 6.5 inches with a blade length of 2.82 inches. It's made from S30V blade steel. It's a drop point with a flat grind. We have a handle length of 3.75 inches made from CF Elite material. We have an overall weight of 1.5 ounces. This knife is just an absolute featherweight. It disappears in your pocket, just perfect for everyday carry use. Then of course we have the access lock. It allows you to use this knife in your left or right hand. We have the deep carry pocket clip with the black barrel spacers as well. And then of course we have a place for a lanyard. It's time to go over the fidget factor. The fidget factor of this brand new Benchmade mini Bugout is fantastic. I still think that the access lock is probably one of my favorite mechanisms when it comes to fidgeting. Just pull it in, drop shut, flick it out, drop shut, flick it out. This thing is an absolute fidget beast. The pocket profile of the mini Bugout by Benchmade is absolutely amazing. Not only do you have the deep carry pocket clip, but you also have the very lightweight as well. And then also, it's just short in your pocket too. It doesn't ride really deep into your pocket. So, as far as the knives in my collection, I would say the pocket profile on this is probably the best that I've seen so far. It's time to go over my final thoughts. My final thoughts on this brand new Benchmade mini Bugout are, this knife is just so cool. There's really beauty and simplicity with this knife. I really like that everything is blacked out. You have top-notch build quality, amazing material. The fit and finish is fantastic. Amazing fidget factor with this access lock. Just such a fun little piece. And you've got the deep carry pocket clip and just a super lightweight. This thing is just an amazing knife and an EDC dream.